semester marks the start of the end for seniors at DGS. May 1st, or Decision Day, is fast approaching and graduation looms ahead. Although there's a lot of stress surrounding the future, seniors try to enjoy their last few months of high school. One of the side effects for second semester seniors is senioritis, which is a lack of motivation to complete schoolwork towards the end of the year. Seniors often come with the stigma of being lazy with school when it comes to the end. On the other side of things, senior year allows for some fun events like Senior Sunrise, Senior Assassins, prom, and so much more. These activities are some of the highlights of senior year. The high school experience is all about making memories and friends that will last a lifetime. Students use different school-provided organizations to live out these goals. A large part of the high school experience for many is being a part of a sports team. Oftentimes, coaches will mentor the same athletes for all 4 years, creating a strong relationship with them. In addition to making close coach-athlete relationships, sports also provide room for students to grow bonds with other student-athletes. Participating in sports can create friendships in high school and beyond. Senior Liz Laverty has been involved with track and cross-country for the past 4 years. Laverty made a strong connection with her track teammates during her years on the team.
When I was on varsity junior and senior year, that's when I really started making a lot of my friends. I feel like track, it takes up a lot of your time. Like every single day you're practicing with the same people, and the meets can range from like 4 to 8 hours. So you're with the same people for a lot of time. So it's really easy to get close with one another and make friends.
Graduation can be sad for students, coaches, and seniors. By being involved in a sport, friendships are bound to be formed, and not with just other athletes your age, but freshmen all the way to seniors. Laverty explains the hardships of leaving the underclassmen she grew close with on her track team.
I'm really sad to leave the underclassmen behind because they're all super great athletes and they're all so fun to be around, but I know that they're going to all turn into super great team leaders and they're going to lead the team to such success. So I'm really excited for all of them. Even though I'll be sad, I know they'll do great.
These situations are not exclusive to sports teams. The same situations are found in clubs as well, the same group of kids for the 4 years of high school. Sponsoring a club or activity allows students to bond with their club sponsors, similar to the ones that are formed with sport teams. For example, Key Club sponsor Jillian Erzig speaks about her leaving seniors and their impact on Key Club.
I am so impressed by the work we've done, and it's only been half of a year. One of the most impressive things was Lily Kelleher. She put on a drive, and I'm going to say last minute, and it's no negative on her end. It just was an opportunity that arose, and her aunt gave her a great idea. We basically gathered warm weather equipment, jackets, and clothing for people in need, and it's amazing the quality of things that we got from staff and students. So that was one of the last things that we did in 2023. It was one of our final days here at school. We were here separating everything, men's and women's clothing, jackets, and it just was such a great way to wrap up the 2023 year and semester.
Circling back to coaches, teammates, and sponsors, seniors have relationships with their teachers as well. An example of this being PE teachers. The gym teachers work with students all 4 years of high school because PE is a graduation requirement. Seeing students grow and develop in the classroom, in addition to the sports teams and clubs, can be just as rewarding to the staff members who teach them.
I used to coach softball. I was the JV coach for 6 years, and I coached through 2 pregnancies. My last final season was 2019. So it's been about 5 years since I last coached, and I miss that dearly. Being a coach, you really get to know that pocket of kids, of girls, and you spend a lot of time together, so I miss that collaborative relationship outside of the classroom.
Seniors have many post-high school options, whether that be military, college, trade school, etc. What all these options have in common is that the decision is fast approaching. No matter what each senior decides to pursue, they have the semester left to decide and put that plan into action. Second semester senior year has started off with snow days and cold days, but the seniors have until May until they can officially check out of high school. In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I am Grace Veruca.